Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-14451 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have already logged into SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So here you can see that I am creating one temporary table called tempo. So I am creating a temporary table called tempo and I am mapping to a cluster. So I am mapping a cluster called employee number cluster. Enter. You can see that ORA-14451 unsupported feature with temporary table. So what is the meaning here is temporary table does not support cluster columns. Okay, temporary table does not support cluster column. So I am deleting the cluster option and recreating the table once again. Yes, now you can see that temporary table created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-14451.